Has this ever happened to you?
Hi, I'm Chris Member, and are you tired of your chainsaw breaking down right before the kill, giving your victims ample time to escape? I know I have. But my friends, that will soon be a thing in the past. Introducing Hack and Slash's new product, the Everrun Chainsaw. This chainsaw activates at just the press of a button, and it runs on the blood of your victims, so you no longer have to rely on environmentally unfriendly oil. Don't believe me? Here's a testimony from one of our satisfied clients. So what are you waiting for? Dial the number on your screen to get your very own Everrun Chainsaw for the low price of $99.99. You heard that right. $99.99 plus free shipping and handling. But hurry, this is a limited time offer.
The Everrun Chainsaw is intellectual property of the Hack and Slash company. The reselling of this product without permission will not result in a court of law, but instead will result in a bloody mess involving the very few people you care about. All sales are final, and Hack Slash company cannot be held accountable for any of your dastardly crimes, as we will get rid of any incriminating evidence that will link us to it. And in case you're thinking about using this commercial as evidence, bear in mind that we will know about it, and immediate action will be taken. The Everrun Chainsaw does not run on blood of virgins.